So we've finally done it, guys. We've gone and bought a beta Subaru Forester for $500. So this marks the start of our new Shitbox series. Your top comments will determine what modifications and challenges we do with this car. So to kickstart this series, we're going to give us some personality, which means only one thing. Spray painting some flames on the sides, which of course increases horsepower. Let's get started.
So we just found a friend's car here on the Grief Street that has been standing for half a year or 8 months because we had to leave Australia, and we decided it might be our next content car. So yeah, battery is dead. Let's see if it starts with a jump starter. We go from there. Can measure your dick.
You ready?
It's not big enough.
Hang on.
We're trying to get this thing going. I think it's been stood here for what, how long?
So you dropped it here like, yeah, November, 5 months.
5 months just sitting here doing nothing but collecting bird shit.
The issue is it's not registered. So at some stage the council will probably take it off.
Moment of truth then.
I'm just here to check if Jack is connecting the cables right.
How to use our jump starter.
The thing is, I've used this so many times, but for the compressor function. It's just always me, this device, and Subarus. All right, she's ready.
340,000 Ks. Nice, man. It started pretty good.
Perfect to fuck it up.
Yeah.
For our challenges.
Crazy, man. It's smoking. It's
Alright, getting burned.
yeah, but why did we start it?
See if it even runs.
What was the point?
Well, we
I
just
don't know,
proved
man.
that our jump start is really useful. That's what we
Anyway,
proved. That's good. That means we can use this car, which means we can pretty much do whatever we want to it.
If we decide to buy it, yeah.
If we decide to buy it. They decide to buy it.
So it's good if we can get a good price, maybe $1,000 or something, 500 bucks.
Man, honestly, it's not worth more than 500 bucks. 340,000 Ks? I don't know. Maybe.
He's old.
Maybe not.
Once we start the
think
series, we'll leave it down to the audience as well.
Yeah,
I'm keen to turn it into a convertible.
We want to make it bulletproof, turn it into convertible, and
Can we spray paint it?
yeah, sure. And at the very end, we'll blow it up.
But we have to check what's legal to do.
Yeah. We'll blow it up in private if it's illegal.
I think this is more a car that we destroy. It's not
Yeah.
a car that we should put value in.
No,
Let's
something
lift
that we
it
do
and then destroy it.
outrageous stuff to.
Airtime.
Custom,
Some
homemade
airtime.
shit. Yeah.
Airtime. Actually, I met some guys, one guy in Early Beach. There's like a challenge. It's called the Shitbox challenge.
And he did it in one of
To
these.
go up to Cape York, and he did one of these. Yeah, he did a good job.
That's because they're sick.
You are sick for having one, man. Yeah.
You chose it for me. Alright, so we're just working on a design at the moment. So inspired by Lightning McQueen, the legend, Poppy's designing more of a BCA twist. So we've got BCA, we've got flames coming off, and then we're going to place that where the 95 is, and then flames all the way along the car, which is going to look pretty badass.
There's the drawing of the car, and here's the logo, and it's going to go there. So this is the final design that we're going to do onto the Subaru. I'm going to print it, then we're going to go get the paint and start. Woo! Let's go.
From cars.
Yeah.
It's Lightning McKing.
McKing.
It's a guy, no?
McQueen, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it. But we need to put a big spoiler on the back.
Yeah.
Like
A big red one.
Okay. Orange, perfect. Yellow, and
Black.
we need a black. Paint plus primer, this is what we're looking for. It just means it's a lot easier, it's probably gonna stick better, and hopefully it doesn't like rub off easily. Masking tape, acquired. We got the goodies, we're ready to go. Now the moment of truth, can Poppy do a good job of this spray paint?
I'm feeling kind of nervous.
Okay, so we have the rough designs here. That we get this matching pretty similar to what we've designed. So first step, we've got all of our masking tape. We cover the side, we draw it up, and then Poppy begins painting.
Boom. This is going to be difficult.
You want to see the design, Tate?
Yes, please. I can see it.
Yeah?
Yeah? You see the vision?
How beast will that look? And it'll make it go faster because of the flames.
The car is actually dissolving in the back.
Yeah. Disappearing.
Disappearing. Fading.
Can you do it?
Yes, that's the it.
How's it going?
Yeah, good. This is a lot longer than I thought.
She's almost covered though.
I think everyone's looking at us like our job is not that serious.
This is pretty serious
And I
stuff.
think they might be right.
Let's see.
They don't approve of our methods.
Where do you want to start the flame? Here.
But then let's say I'm doing that, boom, it all goes on the front.
Yeah, but
And then you'll be like, Poppy, you did a shit job.
why would you do that if you're painting it?
She's gonna draw and make it come to life by drawing it on the car.
Oh yeah? Jack told me already, really proud. He's like, look how good Poppy can draw.
I don't think I've ever said this.
We've taped up the car, now I'm gonna attempt to draw this, and there's a lot of pressure. So there we go, let's freestyle. Oh fuck.
What are you doing?
I'm getting nervous.
Fresh as fuck.
Okay, so the flames are done. Jack's now gonna cut it out, and then we can start spray painting. Ooh.
You get a little sneak preview. Okay, that is the stenciling done. It's time to paint, and we'll see if Poppy can get this looking sexy. I think it looks pretty good from here, actually.
I think it looks quite
I think it's a bit confusing because of the blue.
It's inverted.
Yeah, it feels.
Imagine it the other way around.
Yeah. It's time.
Outfit change, ready to spray paint. You gotta blend the dark first, because you gotta put the light over the top. We're gonna do red, going along here, then eventually orange, then going into yellow. And boom, it's gonna be the best flames you've ever seen in your life. Now we're trying the orange, see if we can get that gradual fade. Oh, it looks yellow.
More
Should
yellow.
we see what the yellow looks like?
Eh?
What?
No, shake it more. Let's go.
Time to do the yellow.
Poppy's just doing a few final touches to the end of the flame. Let's let it dry, come back to it, see how it is.
Peel it off.
We're setting you up here so you can't really see what we're doing because we want to leave it for a surprise.
You like it?
Wow. Yeah, looks sick. Jesus. I like the.
The gradient.
Yes.
Definitely filming. Pretty nice. Not sick. I think it's good.
Yeah? You like
Yeah,
it?
I like it, yeah.
Nice. Proud.
So side one is complete. I'm not showing you, we'll show you at the end. However, we've almost finished number 2. That's the tape done. Now we're just gonna spray over it, same as the other side, let it dry, and then we'll have 2 complete sides. Looks like a rainbow car. We've peeled all the masking tape off, we've had a sneaky look, it looks insane. But before we show you guys, we've got 2 more stencils to put on either side, so we're gonna leave it to dry for 24 hours, come back tomorrow, and then we'll show you the final result. It's day 2, so now we are gonna put on this extra little decal on the side. So BCA logo with a flame coming off the side. Poppy's gonna freestyle it, so let's tape it up and get going. Okay, the drawing's begun. Let's hope you can get it nice and accurate.
Looks good. We're gonna now spray paint it black. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm super excited to see if it actually came out good. See if Poppy's work is masterful. Okay, that is the BCA done. Sneak preview for you. We're not going to show you the whole side.
And it's looking pretty
And
sexy.
it's looking... Alright, so the car spray paint is done. We're just heading to a car park now just to get some cool shots with it and show you the final results. The moment you've all been waiting for, she's finally complete. Check it out.
Done some heads with this.
What do you reckon the next challenge should be?
Spoiler.
Spoiler from Poppy, I think alloys, white alloys or gold, it's gonna look good. Drop a comment down below. So as mentioned at the start of the video, the top comment will determine what we do with this car next. That can be a modification or it can be a challenge. Let us know, whichever is most liked is what we'll do. As always, like and subscribe.